In this video, we are going to see how to fix Arc Radar not launching, would not launch fix. First step, click Steam, click Settings, scroll down, click Download Settings and check for Clear Download Cache. Click it and click Confirm. Once you clicking Confirm after it will come outside of the Steam. Then again you need to log in. Then move on with next step. Open this PC, make sure have enough memory space. Right click C drive, click Tools, click Check and scan the drive. Successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it. Then move on with next step. Click Settings, click System Settings, click Display Settings, scroll down, click Graphics Settings and make sure the Advanced Graphics Settings Hardware Acceleration GPU Schedule. It should be in turn off mode. If it's enabled means you need to disable it. Then scroll down and search for Steam. The GPU preference is depends on you. You can set depends on your device, but the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Make sure it. Then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text: mdsched.exe. Click OK. Check your computer for memory problems. Restart now and check for problem. Once the restart complete after, move on with next step. Type the following text. Click OK. Select the drive. Select the files you are going to delete. If you are not aware of the files means you need to click view files and check it. After click OK and click delete files. Next step, search for device manager. Click it. Click display adapters. Check the drivers here. Once you checking after, you need to go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. That is one method. And the next method, right click and click update drivers. Depends on the device, it may vary, so you need to check first here. Then after, go to the official website, download and install it. Move on with next step. Click settings, click app settings, click install app. Hold down and search for Microsoft Visual C++. If you having the older version means you need to go to the official website of the drivers, download and install it. If you already having the latest version means you need to click the three dot icon, click modify and click repair. Do it for both 64 and 86 bit. Close it. This is the official website of the Microsoft Visual C++. Depends on your device, you can check it and download and install it. Thank you.